All right, guys, we're going to go over how to throw a double jab because I see this all the time in class. We're just flicking out your fist. You're going to step with the jab and breathe, and step with the jab again. What you're going to need to do with your hands up in your stance, keeping your knees soft, your hips in between your knees, you need to keep that back heel just off the floor, and you're going to push from your back foot into your fist. So you're going to make a big kinetic chain like a whip, and you're going to snap your fist over. Instead of this, with a backhand, you're not getting power. You're not, for functional purposes, you're not getting power. For caloric expenditure, you're not burning calories enough. And the way you're going to do that, with your knees soft, you're going to step with the jab and breathe, and step with the jab again. So from here, the double jab looks like this. Ready? 1, 1. Step, step. Okay? It doesn't look like this. Pop, pop with a backhand, because you're just not burning enough calories, and you're not being functional, and you're not really going to be able to hit someone in the face if they come after you. Anyway, that's how to throw a double jab. Keep up the good work, and let's keep rocking. See you in class.